Okay, look at this point, everyone, please. Method number 3, we were doing this 75 percentage in the bracket current assets minus core current assets outside the bracket minus current liability. So now, according to this formula, we need to put the figures in the formula. Okay, so 75 percentage will be same in the next step. Okay. Current assets are 48 lakh 70,000 minus core current assets are already given in this question. 2 lakhs 85,500. This is what I have noted here. Can you see the highlighted part, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is core current assets are, sorry, this is core current assets are 2,85,500 given. So I have noted this separately that it is given. So you can directly write 2,85,500 in the bracket. Outside the bracket minus current liability means 7 lakhs. In the next step, you have to still put a bracket. But now the bracket will be given from the beginning. That is 75 percentage. So 75 percentage of 48 lakhs 70,000 minus 285,500. The answer will be 45 lakhs 84,500 and then minus 7 lakhs outside the bracket. Now again I need to open the bracket. 45 lakhs 84,500 into 75 percentage. The answer will be 34 lakhs 38,375 minus 7 lakhs current liabilities. Your final answer would be 27 lakhs 38,375. So did you get the same answer, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Solve it if you have not done. I'm giving you one more minute. Solve it. Okay. So this sum is over. We are winding up this chapter today. So before winding up, I want to give you few sums as homework. So all with method, all I mean you have to do every sum with all three methods. Okay, all three methods means MPBF method. Okay, you can do this 18th sum as homework.
Okay,
18th
ma'am.
sum. Very simple. You can note down the core current assets. In the last adjustment, you can note down the core current assets are, write down this, you have to add. The core current assets are 30 percentage. Core current assets are 30 percentage. Where it will be used, core current assets?
Method
Method
number
number
In method
3.
3.
number 3,
Yes. So 18th sum core current assets are 30 percentage. So 30 percentage of what?
current asset, total of current asset.
Very good. Total of current assets. Whatever will be your total, you will take 30 percentage of that. Okay, so 18th sum is homework. Now see here 50 is given, 50 weeks in a year. Look at my cursor. 50 weeks in a year means you have to go according to weeks and you have to consider 50 weeks. That means in the beginning we make first working note no 50,000 units divided by 52 weeks. So you don't have to divide 50,000 by 52 weeks. You have to divide it by 50 weeks because it is already given in the question 50 weeks in a year. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you can do this question also, but you have to ignore this last point, allowing 20% contingencies. Don't do this last point. Contingencies are always added. Has Priya madam taught you this contingency wala point?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can do, okay. If it is not new for you, you can do it. Contingency at the last, it is to be added when you get no net current, net working capital requirement. After that, you have to add 20% of contingencies. Now 20% on what? On that amount only, the one that you have got,
Net cur net current
Working.
yeah, whatever will be your answer. A minus B. So whatever will be your
Net working
answer,
requirement.
yes. Net working capital requirement is written last. You cannot write this point as net working capital requirement. Net working capital requirement is the last point. You can note down
net
this as
gross
working.
working capital.
No. Gross working capital is total of current asset, and total current liabilities is B. So A minus B, you can write working capital here. Always remember, current asset minus current liabilities is working capital. So you can simply write working capital. So whatever the answer of working capital will be, you will take 20% of that same amount. Is it clear? Contingencies?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can do this 22 sum as homework. Please remember you have to take 50 weeks in a year, not 52 weeks in a year. Okay.
मैम इसमें कोर करंट एसेट्स
Core
नहीं है.
current assets are, you can note down this point. Core current assets are 3,50,000. 50. 3,50,000. Is it now okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So done. Do these sums and let me know if you have any doubt. Our chapter
मैम
is,
अभी मीटिंग है ना.
yeah, you all have a meeting and you all have to join. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, link.
We will be giving it to you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So you have to join sharp at 10 o'clock. Okay. In 3 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
See you in the meeting. Yeah. Bye.